Alright, what's good guys? In this video, I'm going to explain very short how you can create a video from something that's this boring, no cuts, no colors or anything, into a video that's professionally edited, color graded and everything by Claude Code. The video that you're also watching is done by the same workflow, and all of the files that you see and that have been used in this video will be linked down below in the free school community that you can, it's free, so don't worry. Go in, ask questions, I will answer you, I will help you. And without further ado, let's go and explain how this workflow works. I'm a few steps ahead of you guys, but I'm going to explain every single step and how you can do this. A full breakdown that's step-by-step how you do it in detail is also in the school community, by the way. So as you can see here, first step, it seems very complex, the pipeline, but AI does everything. The only thing I have to do is record and that's it. And then it edits it, it cuts it away, it finds the best text, and then it finds the best motion graphics that are pre-made and puts it up. So you'll be getting two skills. There's one called short form cutaway, and there's number two, which is short form finish. Short form cutaway does what you think it does. So I'll actually show you. Look here, as you can see here, this is my SD card. This is where I have all my clips after I recorded with that camera right there. Here you can see I have a video that's 12 minutes and 25 seconds. And then I also have another video that's 6 minutes. So pretty much almost 20 minutes of footage. And that's bad, that's good footage, mostly bad. Like I was not in a state of being able to record short form content that day. But either way, Claude Code managed to it managed to cut the best parts together. So the short form cutaway skill, what it does, as you can see highlighted in the DaVinci Resolve right here, is it literally cuts and puts exactly the cuts in DaVinci Resolve for you through DaVinci Resolve's MCP server. So this is a community created MCP server. And for those who don't know what an MCP server is, it's pretty much that Claude Code can talk with the DaVinci Resolve. Or if you use Premiere Pro, by the way, you can use DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, any product that you already use. You don't even have to use any of them. You can really use nothing. So I'm also going to showcase how you can edit these type of videos with your iPhone footage. The only thing you need to do, if you're used to recording on an iPhone and edit on your iPhone, the only thing you need to do really is record on your iPhone, send it to Claude Code, and then it's done. But I like to have my personal touch on it. I'm very picky with my videos, both for my videos for my clients, whatever it might be, I'm very picky. Well, the short form cutaway skill, as you can see here, marked here in timeline, it literally cuts the best takes. So it figures out, I have literally 20 minutes of footage. It figures out the best takes and the worst takes. It cuts away the worst takes, and it also cuts away the dead space and position it so it's punchy. It's fast, punchy, removes all the dead space. And then when that's done, that's the first part done. Then you're halfway done, right? Next step, it's going to use the short form finish skill. The short form finish skill does what you see here. It positions the assets, it positions the caption, all the different animations. And what I've done and what you will be doing also moving forward, if you use this pipeline, you should create a style library. This is only for me, it's vibe coded, it's nothing fancy, but it's for me to be able to go through if I want to pick my own style. Let's say I have a video idea, for example, this video, and I wanted to use, for example, this animation right here, this text bubble animation, then I would just specify that before we continue with the short form finish skill. So as you can see, we have tons of skills, and all of these are created and helped by, so there's, it's called Motion Essence. It's a After Effects template. So what I did, I rendered all of them in After Effects, and then I recreated them in Remotion. And actually, by the way, if you don't know what Remotion is, it's better that Carl explains what Remotion. Carl, could you please explain what Remotion?
Remotion lets you build videos with code instead of a timeline. Every caption and animation you are watching is just a small program. No After Effects, no dragging clips around, just code, which conveniently is the one thing I am good at.
Now that Carl has hopefully explained what Remotion is, you understand how it works. It literally just code. So Claude Code can easily just change this one into $5,000 or $100 or and change the animation just like how I wanted based on the video. So what it does, it analyzes based on the short form cutaway and the footage, how it looks, figures out the negative dead space. Here you can see, if you've already seen the video, I am tracking it with my finger. So what it does, it figures out what I say, what I do. So for example, if I say, do you see this? And what I did for this video though, because I didn't say track it with my finger, so it never knew to track it. So I just told it like, there's a section where I say track it with my finger. Can you find that out? And then it figures it out. And then it does it and also figures out where to position everything. For example, in this one, it knows the negative space up here. It knows where to position it. And so it does everything. It literally places it. It figures out what asset to use. And what I also like to do, and I've done in the skill, it creates 3 different styles. Some of them are very bad. Some of them are very good. So as you can see here, the animations and everything here is done by Claude Code. So it knows what I'm talking about. I literally talked about that the edit costs $600. And as you can see, the motion graphics is amazing. It has the subtle details. It doesn't look like the basic AI slop animations that you've seen on internet before. Because It's professionally made. And what you need to do, and what I recommend you to do, I'm also going to link a skill by in the next video. If you have a Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, whatever it might be, you download the video, you give it to the skill, and it recreates it in these styles. As you can see here, all the different styles I've found on Pinterest. Some is like a pack. The Motions Essence pack is the biggest one that I've used. And this one I found on Instagram, the animations, everything. Claude Code can easily recreate this. Like everything here is done, you know, it's code. It's very fucking fan. So yeah, it's very simple, really. The only thing you need to do is record, and I want to have like my touch on it. Here, the creativity is the limit, and with this skill, you can also just use your voice. If you really have a design or a thought that you really want, you could just say, hey, I wish you could create like a timer thing that looks similar to this motion graphic, but change it so it looks like this, you know? There's multiple things you can do here, and yeah. So the videos are amazing. You can really do anything. What's so nice is that everything here is in my style. It's my signature style, and I'm trying to develop my personal brand signature style. So it's very nice to me to be able to not having to spend so much time on editing when it's high quality. So I mean, a lot of people say you can't have both, but with this workflow, you can have quality and quantity. Anyway, I hope this explained very briefly. If you have any questions, just ask in the school community. I will gladly help you. I'm growing that school community to both learn for myself, teach other people, and see what actually I'm here to do for other people. I know the video was very high level, but in the school community, link down below, you have all the files and a better breakdown step by step, showing you how you can use the skills when I use the skills. And I literally show how I edit a video step by step. You can use the MCP service, how that works, how you can set it for your workflow, how you can recreate your style. Everything is in that school community. So if you want similar tutorials moving forward and better tutorials, subscribe, and I will definitely spend more time on really digging deep. And the video that you see now, yes, it's raw, and we're working on that. So please bear with me, and the better videos will come. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you a great rest of your day.